As of today, nearly 3 million Americans have filed unemployment with the Unemployment Office. I'm Dr. Lacey Robbins of Robbins Nest Consulting, founder of the Everyday Business Conference, consultant to small and mid-sized businesses, and coach to women who are ready to use their knowledge, background, and expertise to build a platform and make more money. Now, while you may not be one of the millions of Americans who filed unemployment, this is still a good chance and a good time for you to consider pivoting in your career. Think about it like this. Take the time to start to make an inventory of your current skills. Look for those skills that would be transferable. Are there things that you're doing now, especially with working remotely and working from home, that could possibly translate and transfer up into a new career or new career opportunity? Literally today, I received a notice telling me of a CEO that I know very well who just resigned to take another job opportunity here in the city, and believe me, the jobs are still out there and available. So don't buy into the hype that there are no jobs that are actually ready and available. If you are one of the millions who have been in fact impacted and are trying to find what is my next step while I'm waiting for my unemployment, think temporarily rather than permanently. So what do I mean by that exactly? Again, go back to that skills assessment that you have made. Take a look at what are those skills that you could potentially leverage based off of the needs that new organizations and companies are showing now. Could you potentially take those skills into a style job? So think Zoom, think working for an organization like GoToMeeting. There's so many jobs now that can be done virtually, especially with this new demand that has been placed upon our workforce. This might be the opportunity for you, especially if you're in between chances and in between jobs right now, to see how you can use that to your advantage. One last thing I want you to think about: if you are considering how can I add additional dollars into my household during this time, because yes, ladies and gentlemen, a recession is coming. Some may even argue that it's already here. So think about your hobbies. What are some hobbies that perhaps you can ramp up? Ramp up your hobby. If you are really good with a camera, maybe this is a time that you can sell some of your images. If you're great as far as administrative skills, this could be a chance that you can hop online and support somebody else. There are a lot of job exchange outlets that are out there, such as Fiverr or Upwork. You can simply make your own profile and put yourself out there so that you can be a benefit to someone else who could use an extra pair of hands during this time of the year. Now, above all else, I want to leave you with this. Go local. As people are starting to pivot, and we will all eventually be heading back to work, there is a need for more local support as well. So before you think I can only find something virtually, think about those local hospitals, those other organizations who are being heavy hit with this. Maybe you can assist them in being able to share your planning skills, or again, your administration skills. If you need some help getting started, you can actually visit the link in my bio for the Power Your Process, and you can learn more about how you can actually pivot your skills. Sign up for a skills assessment, and I will walk you through so that we can figure out together what are your top skills that can be transferable into your next career. And as I always say, from process to practice, grab your stilettos and let's go. Bye everyone, until next time.